2023 Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive, 25,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Say that 5 times fast. Toyota, awesome. One owner, clear Carfax, balance of factory warranty, both bumper to bumper and powertrain. Passed our independent inspection. It's got the balance of warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That is AutoramaAuto.com. And you can be in and out of our office in less than 20 minutes when you are pre-approved. We're not going to rush you to test drive. We're not going to rush you to make a decision. But once you say yes, 15, 20 minutes, you're out the door. We're not going to sell you all the extra crap. We're not going to keep you here all day like the big dealers do. If you haven't heard, car prices are way down. Toyota RAV4 has probably one of the best resales on the planet. And this thing last year, 2022, at this time, would have cost you over 30 grand. Not anymore. You would have almost new prices, maybe even more than new. There was such a shortage of them. But anyway, things have changed. This one here is going to be about 150 bucks a month, less than a new one. Yet you still got the factory warranty and all the good stuff. Again, it is the all-wheel drive. It is the XLE, so that's the second from the base. Power sunroof, two-tone and cloth interior, keyless, big touch screen. Got a lot of the safety stuff. You can see that there on the steering wheel. There's so many names for it, but yeah, nice and clean inside and out. Let's talk about price. Now, I know you're going to find these advertised for less money. Advertised. I didn't say you can buy them. I said advertised. Why? Because this is such a competitive business. And the only way to be on the first page of the advertising, like the Auto Traders and the Cars.com and stuff, is to have the lowest price. So car dealers, to be the lowest advertised price, they came up with things with hidden fees and weird credits you have to qualify for that no one qualifies for. There's so much garbage, and you think you found the great deal. Oh, man, these guys are $2,000 cheaper than over there at Autorama, and you get there and surprise. Hidden fees, not us. Price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. We do not have hidden fees. We do have a $145 doc fee. That is low in the industry. And guess what? Cory, that's our finance guy, give these folks a free doc fee if they say they saw it in the video. So let's recap. 2023. Toyota RAV4 XLE. All-wheel drive, 25,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, third-party inspected, factory warranty, extendable, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. I call that the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it, folks.